What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet again another video. I hope you guys are excited for today's review. It's my first time making one of these type of videos of like the ones titled things I bought I never told you about. I saw that video idea on one of Harrison Neville's like old video, and I thought to make one for my channel today because these things never made it to the channel. And so yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of today's video. If you are an OG to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Likes help boost up my videos, therefore it helps my channel to grow. So if you want to support my channel, a like and a subscribe does go a long way. So we're going to be reviewing 4 sneakers today. Most of these, I believe, I think 3 of them I already posted photos of them on Instagram. So make sure that if you're not following me on Instagram, you go ahead and do so right now, because Instagram is where I style every single piece I review on this channel. So if you want to know, you know, how I kind of put outfits together and kind of my fashion style, whatever, you can go ahead and check that out right there. I also post videos like sneak peeks of items that I receive in the mail. So sometimes Instagram, well, sometimes people who follow me on Instagram are the ones to find out first what's coming to the channel. So alrighty, so we're gonna start with the first sneaker, and this one came from DHgate. This was my first New Balance 550 that I tried from DHgate. I randomly found this seller. I read the reviews and most of them were, you know, really good. So I decided to try out the seller, and this is the first shoe I decided to buy. So as you guys can see it here, we have the New Balance 550 in this beautiful red color, red with white. I am in love with this shoe right here, and when I got it, I wore this shoe like for 1 week straight. No lie to you guys. This shoe is pretty worn. I did clean it not too long ago with some Crep Protect cleaning solution. So that's how they kind of look, still somewhat new, but they're creased already. So I decided to go ahead and purchase this colorway right here because if you guys don't know, I did posted a video a couple months ago where I purchased my first 550 from StockX. And unfortunately, I bought it in a size 6.5 men's, and it does fit me a little bit big. So I decided to buy a size 6 from DHgate, and this one fits me just perfect. And just to give you a quick review, this one right here is from DHgate, and this one right here is from StockX. Let me know down below what differences you guys see, because to me, they're not major differences. And I'm going to be doing a more in-depth video comparing, you know, DHgate products to retail products. I do have 2 sneakers that I will be filming shortly. So one is going to be a more in-depth video comparing the 2 New Balances, and the other video I will show you right now what sneaker that will be. Alrighty, so this next sneaker right here, I've been having it probably for about a year now. No lie to you guys. I would say, just so that I don't sound so exaggerated, I would say I've been having it for about 8 months or so, 8 to 9 months. And I never wore these shoes. They're still dead stock, and they're not even laced all the way up. And as you can see, they're literally brand new. So these right here, again, they come from DHgate. I think it was at the beginning of last year, I was filming Jordan 1 Low's reviews, and I would say they did awesome. I have found this seller, and a lot of people DM me on Instagram asking me for the link, and I believe this seller is still up and running. I would have to check, because this right here was one of the last Jordan Lows that I purchased through that seller. So yeah, I don't know why I haven't worn these right here. I would say it's pretty well made. Even the toe boxes are really nice. Let me know down below what you guys think, but in my opinion, the toe box is really good. and then the Jumpman right here, if you guys can see the details. So these right here are the second sneakers that I bought and never made a video about it. So let me know what you guys think of this shoe right here. Alrighty, so the next sneaker that I have right here is this pair of Pumas, or Pumas. I don't know how you guys pronounce it. I personally call them Pumas because I speak Spanish, so that's just the way I pronounce it. So these Pumas right here, I bought them, I would say about 2 months ago or so, 2 to 3 months ago, somewhere around there. I've worn them probably 2 times, and I have to clean them because the toe box is pretty scuffed up, which surprises me, honestly. So this colorway right here, I'm okay with it. I'm not like the biggest fan of the colorway that they have here. I did buy these sneakers because they were on sale. The sneaker shop that I used to have near my house, well, near my old house, was closing down, so they went ahead and did a huge sale on the sneakers. So I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on these right here. Now for sneaker number 4, in the last sneaker, this shoe right here, I already made a review on my channel a couple weeks ago where I showcased a UA pair, which I do have right here. So you guys can see right here. If you want to know who these came from, make sure to go ahead and watch the video. These are the UA pair, but before I got these pairs, I had actually found the retail pair at my local Champs sitting on the shelves, okay? Like this pair was sitting on the shelves. I happened to be at the mall that day. I decided to go to Champs. Thank goodness I did. And I saw this guy buying these pairs. So I asked the lady, hey, what's the smallest size you got? I told her I was a 6 in men, and they had my size. So I went ahead and bought it for retail. My first pair ever found at a mall. So anyways, these are the UA pairs, which I'll put on this side right here for now. And then these are my retail pairs, which, yes, they are dead stock, and they will stay like that until I probably just like wreck these right here. And even if I was to wreck these, I would still keep these dead stock. So if you guys don't believe me, I do have my receipt from Champs. Yep. So you can see it right here. I went ahead and paid $150 plus tax for the pair. These right here are a size 6.5 youth. So that's why they were $150, because they're grade school sizes. And I was so happy to pay that, because when I told her I'll take it, I was expecting to pay, you know, I don't know, like $200 for the pair, but I forgot that grade school sizes are way cheaper. So I'm so happy that I have these. And this shoe right here is one of my favorites, just because it's yellow and it's a Jordan 4. I love me some 4s, and yellow is my favorite color, in case you guys didn't know, which I think by now that's clear. So yeah, so Champs, shout out to y'all. I'm so glad that, you know, that happened, and I wish for that to keep happening, because I'm not against, you know, resellers specifically, but I am against the fact that you're not able to buy the shoes that you like so easily like before. Right now you have to pay stupid amounts of money for sneakers that, you know, I don't know. So anyways, like I said, this video right here, expected very soon. I will be doing a comparison of a UA pair to a retail pair to see what the differences are. And to be very honest with you, all I have to say is that I did not find many. Even the boxes are very similar. So expect that video soon. I hope to record it sometime this week so that you guys can see it on the following upload schedule. Very excited that I have 2 shoes that I can show it to you guys, because I've always wanted to do that. But I think I'm going to cut the video right here. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope the camera angles and the light and everything, the way I'm filming stuff, it's good for you guys to fully grasp the details I'm trying to show you. Let me know down below what other videos you would like to see, and I'll make sure to try my best to bring them to the channel. And again, make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where you pretty much can keep up with what's going on with my life, the channel, and just everything in general. So thank you again for all the support, for watching today's video. It really means a lot to me, and I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.